welcome back to Bacha Party. So guys, today I'm back with a video and today I'll show you all of my bags. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll show you this bag. This is a cowboy type of bag, but because this is so cool. But wearing it with jeans and like that, it's too cool, and its strap is also very good. Cool. I have two of them. One is of me and one is of my sister. So yeah. No, no, right now. And now let's see this one. My sister got it in a gift. We got it in a gift. So yeah, this is so cool. I just love it. But it's new. It's new and black, and yeah, I love it. इसके बाद लॉकडाउन हो गया, हम लोग कहीं जा ही नहीं पाए कि मैं पहनूं. And this bag, the brown bag, my sister got it in gift in her birthday from Dua. She has her own vlogs, Drama Queen Vlogs. Please subscribe it. Thank you. And this one also we got it in a gift, but I love this bag. Only I wear it. My sister usually does not wear it. Mostly I wear it, and I love it. And this bag we bought it from Outfitters, I think. I don't know where we bought it from, but this is amazing. See, it has its strap, and right now I've put in a tissue and a sanitizer on it. The most using things these days. I'm not using it, I just put it right now. And I have now these two bags. These are most identical. So in this one, we've put in the chain inside. It's a clutch type. You can wear it as a bag as well, but when we got it in a gift, so ये एक school bag की तरह मिला था. I don't know कि कोई भी strip अभी फिलहाल school bag नीचे एक लगी हुई थी, and it was so amazing. मतलब ऐसे लगा हुआ था, it was so amazing, guys. So yeah, and these two bags, मतलब guys, I have the two of these two. Yeah. So guys, right now मैंने इसको बहुत setting करके रखा था, but right now अभी मुझसे कुछ रह नहीं रहा. So sorry for that. And guys, I have now these two identical bags, one black and one silver. It is to wear it like this. First the button opens, and then the zip opens, and you can put anything inside. It is so cute, guys. I just love it. So cute. I just love it. And now let's see this one. And I have the two identical of this. We didn't put out the two. It was not setting in the thing. But guys, see, wearing it with a silver, wearing it with traditional dresses on Eid and something, I love it. See, I just love this bag, seriously. So yeah, this is a wooden bag which we bought from I think Murray and something from Pakistan. And this is a wooden bag which looks so cool with some dresses. So yeah, let's move on to these two. These two we bought from Makkah Medina. And I have this one and my sister has this one. But I love it, guys. Wearing it looks amazing. Wow. And this backpack.
Hi guys, that's my favorite. I've used it so many times. I love it.
This is Kainat's backpack, and when we go somewhere out,
I love it.
On vacations, we use this bag. Kainat uses bag. This is a Mickey Mouse bag. See, Kainat just loves this.
My favorite.
And we have two identical of this, but I love this bag. It's so cute. Wearing it for some event or something. And blue color of the tassels is so cute. And now move on to this bag. This is of me and my sister both. Once she uses it and once I use it. We bought it I think 1 year back. Yeah. This is from Defecto, by the way. Now this bag from Zara. This is amazing. It has it has 3 zips. So I love it. I mostly put my candies and most stuff I need over here, and then on the biggest I put my iPad and all of that. So I love it. And this is also my bag from But this is the last bag, but not the least. But I love it. It's from Chloe. But see, it is so cool, guys. Wearing it on a vacation, it is so cool. And when you don't want to wear it at the back, you can wear it like this from the front as well. And if you want more space, you can just open these zips. And these zips can be closed as well. So yeah, this was all of my bag. See, right now not put it so well. But sorry for that, because I could not set it in the video. So bye guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bacha Party. Bye. And guys, do subscribe to Crafty Girls. Crafty Girls, it has 9 videos of Varda and Varisha. And do subscribe the channel of Drama Queen Vlogs, that is from Dua. So yeah, she is Kainat's friend. So bye guys.
Crafty Girls पे हमारा एक collaboration
आने वाला है। जैसे याद करें आप, बच्चा पार्टी में भी एक जेंगा चैलेंज आया था जिसमें बच्चा पार्टी जीता था।
इंशाल्लाह इसमें भी जीत कर आएंगे।
इंशाल्लाह हम लोग क्राफ्टी गर्ल्स वाले क्राफ्ट में भी जीतेंगे। सो बाय गाइस।